method, maths is involved. In class 5, we learn about BODMAS, a simple harmonic rule, helping students to deal with a simple mathematical operation in order. So we presenting a small skit with the fixed theme of BODMAS, importance of BODMAS.
My life is full of problems, dull and boring. Counting and always counting. I'm so alone with my problems.
Yeah.
Who are you? Who allow you to come inside?
I introduce myself. I am Addition, your friend. I am going to prove that I am very useful to you. I can increase your value. So don't try to avoid me.
How can you do this? Can we?
First thing, number 3 and 2. I can make this 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5.
Wow! So we can do so many numbers. I'm so happy. But can we do the reverse that well? I mean, decrease my value.
Yes, I can decrease your value.
Show me.
Take number 3 and 2. If I will come between, I can make 1 for you.
Wow! Great! What do you mean by this? Who are you?
I am multiplication. I have double root when we add repeated number again and again. When I comment the calculation easier, friends, you will call me. I am the shortcut party, the service party.
I am the adder of multiplication.
Here I'm so excited.
Hi all, I am division. When you want to share equally, I walk into my calculation. Easier. Friends, you can call me a share also.
How cool! So many operations are there to play with numbers. Let's play.
Let's play.
So many operations are there to deal with. Oh, what a problem!
Don't worry, dear. In order, we can play with the numbers.
Who are you? Who allowed you to come inside?
I am bracket. I will catch all the number and all operation capture in a ball.
No, you don't. No, please.
Let's finish this bracket to get free, otherwise it will not allow to play games. Okay, attack! Attack!
So dear friends, always remember, whenever we over our bracket, I need to finish it first and then we arrange by sequence.
So you mean the features? Bracket, O for odd, D for division, M for multiplication, division, S for subtraction.